Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Right, so I'm looking at the USDCAD here, right, and as we see, price is showing some willingness to want to go down, right. There are a few things that I would like us to take note here, okay. So number one is this rejection block, okay. We want to see price come and trade into this zone, right, and possibly have a retracement that will come and take out the stops, right, that reside above this level. Okay, all right, so that is what we're expecting in the daily chart. All right, and as you see, we already have opened and we have a bearish candle that is at least showing us some willingness to go and trade into this zone right here. Right. So what we want to do is, as this happens on the H4 chart, right, would like to see price at least stay above this zone. What do I mean by that? I mean that they can trade down, right, and then come and close above. But if they fail to come and close above, and let's say they give us a bearish candle, okay, we're going to wait, right, for the next bullish candle that we will have, and then which is going to be our smart money reversal, right? So anything that will come up a little bit, right, and trade down, we're going to enter on the low risk buy, right? With our targets now, our first initial target would be this block here. Why do I say that? You see this swing low that was created here, right? Market might want to use this swing low, all right, as a what? As a market structure break. And if this is a market structure break, and then any move higher will be coming to test this block here, all right? And then on the H4, what we're going to be looking for is for a sell set up now. Right, if that happens, anything that we'll get on the H4 chart as a sell setup, right, we will take it. And then what would be our target if we're going to take our sells from there? Right. Our target will be now to come and raid the stops that reside below here. Okay, so this is pretty simple, okay? Right, we want price to come down into this zone, right? And then you see I have highlighted also the low of this swing, right? Also the low of this swing, right? We want price, whatever it does, to spike below, come and close above, right? So we'll monitor on the H4, and if that happens, right, wait for a bullish candle, right? And then from there, anything that opens trades down, right, into maybe OTE or whatever on the lower time frame, right, targeting our first TP would be here, TP1, right? We take our profits from this zone here. Okay, and then if there is a willingness to want and go higher, what we're going to do, let me open the H4 chart. So here I am on the H4 chart, right? As I was mentioning, right, we've got our zone right here. So what we want to see is price to trade down into this zone, hopefully come and close above, all right, this line here. And once that happens, all right, we are going to start buying, right? And what are we aiming for, right? We are aiming this block or this low here as our take profit, all right? And then we wait for price action to give its hand, whether it wants to trade down or it wants to trade up, right? So here, if we do, however, get a sell signal, right, trade into the zone, come and close below, we are going to use this candle right here as our stop loss, okay? And also if we are buying, right, whatever the low that would have been made here is where we're going to put our stop loss. Right, so once that's done, we get a sell signal here, right? We sell, right, aiming for, let me just zoom out here a bit, right? Aiming for, okay, right, aiming for this zone right here, which is most likely going to be around 132.15, right, somewhere there. All right, so, and then failure to give us a sell setup in this zone, right? We might want price to trade a little bit higher into this block before retracing and coming to get support, find support in this zone right here. Right, still same mechanism. Come and trade below, close above, or trade below, close in the zone, bullish candle. Right after the bullish candle, right? Anything that opens, comes down into an area of OTE, right, will give us fuel to want and take out these buy stops above here, right, trading into this block. Right, so that is our analysis on the USD card. I will send more analysis into the group as the day progresses. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Keep monitoring this pair.